Welcome to Davi Toons Club, the place where we turn characters into fun, expressive drawings. Today we're drawing a super cute chibi version of Rumi, step by step. Let's get started. If at any moment you need more time, feel free to pause the video. And don't forget to take a screenshot of any tricky part so you can use it as a reference later. Also, check out our playlist with other K-pop Demon Hunters characters in cartoon style. It's full of cool ideas. Let's start with the head, the star of every chibi. For the eyes, make them tall and oval with 2 or 3 white sparkles inside the iris. Keep the eyelashes delicate and the eyebrows slightly curved to give Rumi that confident expression. Rumi is one of the main leaders of the Huntrix team in the film.
Her nose could be just a dot or a small inverted V. These small lines on the cheek give the drawing a cute look.
The mouth is small and cat-like, with a tiny curved shape and a soft lower lip.
The ears are round and cute. Don't forget to draw the earrings.
Draw a big round head with soft cheeks. On the cheeks, don't forget to make 2 pink ovals right in the area of these little lines. Now for the hair, draw the big top section and her long braid. Use round, chunky shapes instead of individual strands. Add simple curved highlights on the upper parts to give a shiny effect. Her hair color will be a vivid violet with lilac reflections. Time for the tiny chibi body. Keep it short and small. Draw Rumi's bright yellow cropped jacket with a white top underneath. Here are some tips for when you color your drawing. Base tones, peach skin, violet hair, yellow jacket, teal shorts, red wine details, and golden accessories. Use cell shading, no gradients, just solid shadows about 20 to 35% darker than your base color. Add small white or lilac highlights on the hair and sword for a soft, pearly look. If you enjoy this kind of tutorial, check out our playlist with more cartoon characters. And tell me in the comments which character you'd love to see in Chibi style next. Write the character's name and 3 words that describe how you'd like them to look. For example, Naruto, cute, fierce, colorful. Her arms are thin and flexible. Now draw the hand holding her sword, long and slender with flat facets. Later we'll color it with a pearly tone, blending pink lilac to light blue. K-pop Demon Hunters became one of the most watched animated releases of 2025. Breaking viewership records on Netflix and topping music charts with its soundtrack. There was even a special collaboration with Fortnite featuring Rumi's outfit as an in-game skin. Keep the legs short and cute, ending in small, delicate feet. Add her belt and the small side accessory. Simple lines will do the job. Her boots are tall and wide, with a red stripe down the front. Here's a great finishing touch. I started the tutorial using black outlines, but in the end, I switched to dark purple. It matches the palette better. To do this, keep your line art on its own layer. In Photoshop or Procreate, select the line art, go to Hue and Saturation, choose Colorize, and set a dark purple tone. And here she is, our adorable Chibi Rumi. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more Chibi drawings every week. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.